Hello, viewers. As promised earlier, today I'll talk about the next important brain mediator, the dopamine. It brings happiness to our lives. Dopamine is a hormone and is a neurotransmitter. So, when I call something as a neurotransmitter, it means it is responsible for transmitting signals between the nerve cells of the brain. A very commonly known disease called Parkinson's disease may occur due to its absence in our bodies. Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder which affects the movements of the body very badly. There are more than 1 million cases every year in India. It is important to lead a life in a manner where even old age is also healthy and enjoyable. The common symptoms of less dopamine in our body can be easily diagnosed by symptoms such as by getting distracted very easily, finding difficulty in concentrating, feeling deprived of energy, forgetfulness, moodiness, etc. Dopamine is a motivation molecule. People who are dopamine dominant are seen to have unwavering focus and are usually the go getters. So, what could be the healthy ways to boost this dopamine naturally? Number one, a diet which is rich in an amino acid tyrosine. This tyrosine is commonly found in eggs, beans, almonds, several fishes such as salmon and tuna, bananas, berries, apples, certain important seeds such as chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. They are also very rich in tyrosine. Milk and milk products are also very good sources of tyrosine. Omega 3 fatty acid rich foods like walnuts are also equally important. Dark chocolate is also considered as a booster for serotonin and dopamine. The next and the important thing is exercising. Exercising helps in producing new cells in our brain, and this has lots and lots of anti aging benefits. The third and the most important thing is meditation. Meditation, or maybe any activity that soothes your brain or that brings your brain into theta brainwave, because theta brainwave is the most relaxing brainwave, and I'll be very shortly making a video over that. So, brain develops relaxed attention when these theta brain waves occur within our any activity we do, any activity our brain does. It always has certain levels of electrical activity, right? And the fourth and the most important thing is the sleep. It's not important to sleep for more hours. It is important to have a very soothing duration of sleep. So stay tuned for the next topic and do share and subscribe my channel.